Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart Learning English Channel. Dave, I have a question for you.
Okay. Should I be worried?
Maybe.
That's not a good start.
Here's the question.
I'm ready.
You can travel anywhere in the world for free. Where are you going?
Only one place?
Only one.
That's impossible.
You have to choose.
Can I choose 10 places?
No.
5?
No.
2?
Dave.
Okay.
So?
Japan.
Really? That was fast.
I thought about this before.
Apparently. Why Japan?
The food.
Of course.
The culture.
That's a better answer.
And the food.
There it is.
What about you?
Italy.
Oh, wow. Really?
Yes.
Why Italy?
The history, the cities, the food.
Interesting. You also picked a country for food.
Maybe.
See? You understand me.
Unfortunately.
Have you always wanted to visit Italy?
Since I was a child.
Really?
Yes, I used to see pictures in books.
That's nice.
What about you? When did you start wanting to visit Japan?
Probably when I was a teenager.
Because of the culture?
Because of video games.
That's honest.
Very honest.
Do you think travel changes people?
Definitely.
Really?
Every trip teaches you something.
I agree.
You meet new people, try new foods, see new places.
And learn new things.
Exactly.
Do you like planning trips?
Not really.
Really?
I like the trip. I don't like the planning.
That's funny.
What about you?
I love planning.
Of course you do.
I make lists,
Uh-oh.
travel plans, hotel plans, food plans.
That sounds exhausting.
That sounds organized.
We're very different.
That's true.
If everything was free, how long would you stay?
At least a month.
A month?
Yes.
I like that answer.
What about you?
6 months.
6 months?
Remember, it's free.
Good point.
I might never come back.
Your family would miss you.
That's true.
Your friends, too.
Hopefully.
Hopefully?
You never know.
That's funny.
You know what's interesting?
What?
Sometimes planning a trip is almost as fun as the trip itself.
I completely agree.
Really?
Yes, dreaming about travel is exciting.
That's true.
Maybe that's why people love talking about travel.
Exactly. Everyone has a dream destination,
And everyone has a different answer.
which makes it interesting.
I agree. Have you ever had a travel disaster?
Oh, yes.
Really?
More than one.
I'm not surprised. Thanks. Tell me one.
A few years ago, I almost missed a flight.
No way.
Yes.
What happened?
I was too relaxed.
That sounds like you.
I arrived at the airport and thought I had plenty of time.
And?
I was looking at my phone, getting coffee, walking slowly.
Uh-oh.
Then I looked at the departure board.
And?
The gate was closing.
Seriously?
Seriously.
What did you do?
I ran.
Really?
Like my life depended on it.
That's funny.
I was carrying my bag and running through the airport.
Did you make it?
Barely.
Wow.
I sat down on the plane and couldn't breathe.
At least you made it.
Never again.
I don't believe that.
Fair enough.
What about lost luggage?
Thankfully, no.
You're lucky.
Have you ever lost luggage?
Not exactly.
What does that mean?
I picked up the wrong suitcase once.
No way.
Yes.
How?
It looked exactly like mine.
That's hilarious.
Not at the time.
When did you realize?
At the hotel.
Oh, wow.
I opened it and immediately knew.
Because it wasn't your clothes?
Exactly.
What was inside?
Men's clothes.
That's amazing.
It was not amazing.
Okay, maybe a little amazing.
I was so embarrassed.
What happened next?
I called the airport.
And
They found my suitcase.
that's good.
The other traveler had mine.
That's actually a funny story.
Now it is.
Did your family laugh?
4 weeks.
I would too.
I know you would.
Do you like traveling alone?
Sometimes.
Really?
Yes, it's peaceful.
I don't know.
Why not?
I like having someone to talk to.
That makes sense.
What about you?
I enjoy both.
That's a very safe answer.
It's the truth.
Fair enough.
What's the funniest thing you've seen while traveling?
A man sleeping at the airport.
That's normal.
He was hugging a giant teddy bear.
Seriously?
Yes.
That's actually adorable.
Everyone was looking at him.
Was he embarrassed?
No, he was sleeping too well.
That's funny.
What about you?
I once got lost while following a map.
Wait, the map got you lost?
Apparently,
That's impressive.
I walked in the wrong direction for 30 minutes.
No way.
Yes,
Did you ask for help?
eventually.
And
The place I wanted to visit was behind me.
that's painful.
Very painful.
Travel really creates good stories.
It does.
Even the mistakes become memories.
Exactly.
And sometimes the mistakes are the best part.
I completely agree.
Although I'd still rather not lose my luggage.
That's a reasonable request.
Thank you. I try to be reasonable sometimes.
Sometimes.
Keyword sometimes.
You know what? Travel reminds me of my childhood.
Really?
Yes, my family loved road trips.
That sounds fun.
It usually was.
Usually?
Well, my brother and I argued a lot.
Huh. That sounds normal.
We argued about everything.
Like what?
Music, food, window seats, everything.
Who usually won?
My brother.
That's unfortunate.
Very unfortunate.
My family trips were different.
How?
My dad always woke everyone up very early.
How early?
5 in the morning.
5?
Yes, even on vacation.
That's terrible.
I agree.
You're supposed to relax on vacation.
That's what I said.
Did your dad listen?
Not even a little. He believed early mornings were important.
Are you a morning person now?
Absolutely not.
That's funny.
Years of waking up early had the opposite effect.
I can understand that.
Where did your family usually travel?
Mostly nearby places.
Really?
Yes, beaches, mountains, small towns.
That sounds nice.
What about your family?
We didn't travel very often.
Really?
No, but when we did, it felt special.
I like that.
Sometimes waiting makes things more exciting.
That's true.
Do you prefer beaches or mountains?
Beaches, easy answer.
Really?
Yes, I love the ocean.
Interesting. I'm the opposite.
You prefer mountains?
Definitely.
Why?
It's quiet, peaceful, cool weather.
I like warm weather.
I know.
How do you know?
You complain every winter.
That's true.
See? I pay attention.
Sometimes.
Sometimes is enough.
Do you like busy cities or quiet places?
Quiet places.
Really?
Yes, I don't want crowds on vacation.
I'm different.
Of course you are.
I love exploring cities.
Why?
Restaurants, shops, history, people.
That sounds exhausting.
That sounds exciting.
We're having the same argument again.
We really are.
If you could visit one famous place tomorrow, where would you go?
Rome.
Good choice.
What about you?
Kyoto.
Oh, wow. Nice answer.
I've always wanted to go.
Would you travel alone?
Probably not,
Why?
because good experiences are better when shared.
That's a beautiful answer.
Thank you. I practiced it.
I knew it.
Seriously, though, traveling with friends or family creates memories.
I agree.
Years later, those memories still make you smile.
That's one of the best things about travel.
Exactly.
It's not just about places.
It's about people, too.
I couldn't agree more.
Wow, we're getting emotional.
A little.
Don't worry, I'll make a joke soon.
Good. I was starting to worry. You know, this conversation is making me want to travel.
Me too.
If someone offered you a free ticket right now, would you go?
Immediately.
You wouldn't even pack?
I'd figure it out later.
That's a terrible plan.
It's a very exciting plan.
Fair enough.
What about you?
I'd need at least a week to prepare.
A week?
Maybe 2.
That's exactly what I expected.
I like being prepared.
You like making lists.
That too.
How many travel lists would you make?
Honestly,
Yes.
probably 5.
5?
Packing list, hotel list, food list, places to visit, things to buy.
I'm already tired.
That's because you're lazy.
We're back to that again.
Sorry.
Not really.
You're right.
You know what I love about travel?
What?
It gives you something to look forward to.
That's true.
Even planning a trip can make you happy.
I completely agree.
Sometimes life gets busy.
Very busy.
Work, messages, responsibilities.
Exactly.
But thinking about a future trip feels exciting.
It reminds you that there are still new things to see.
And new people to meet.
And new food to try.
Now you're speaking my language.
I knew you'd like that.
Of course.
If you could give one travel tip, what would it be?
Don't try to do everything.
That's good advice.
Sometimes people rush too much.
I agree.
Slow down. Enjoy the moment.
I like that. What about you? Take lots of photos.
Really?
Yes,
Why?
because years later, those photos become memories.
That's true.
Sometimes one photo can bring back an entire trip.
That's a beautiful thought.
Thank you.
You know what?
What?
Maybe the best part of travel isn't the destination.
Really?
Maybe it's the memories you make along the way
I love that.
and the people you share them with.
Exactly.
Wow, we're ending on a very positive note.
I think it's a good way to end.
Me too.
So everyone listening,
We'd love to know your answer.
if you could travel anywhere for free,
Where would you go?
tell us in the comments.
Maybe you'll inspire our next trip.
Or Dave's next food adventure.
That's more likely. Well, this was fun.
It really was.
And now I want to book a trip.
Me too.
Maybe someday.
Hopefully soon.
Thank you everyone for listening.
Thank you so much for listening today. Keep practicing your English every day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
See you in the next lesson.